Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fall Guys with one friend. Sad. Again, we're still trying to get a win. It's not working. I'm a parrot now. Still trying to wait for the server to fill up, and I deaf myself with Discord, so you're gonna hear a sound when I undeafen because my friends are loud and I want to do my intro. So, yeah. Oh, the world.
Joel is back. The whirly.
The
You know how Stewie from Family Guy says call whip instead of whip? Actually, Joel doesn't watch Family Guy.
Yeah. I'm too lazy to watch
Kobe
anything.
watching
It's a bit gay.
Fortnite Gamer Moments episode. Jake watches Fortnite, doesn't he?
No.
I bet he does.
Boost! Yeet! That worked. I don't know why I said yeet, that's pretty gay.
I just got a double boost up to the ramp. Can I? No, I slammed my head on the thing.
I got to the ramp. Got in.
No, I got hit by the windmill.
I got in.
I got hit by the windmill again.
Stop grabbing me.
Alright, I'm through. It looks like there's 43 people ahead of me, dude. I need a boost. I just realized I need to get boosted off one of the things, or I have to get through the middle one.
I'm taking a risk.
I'm taking a risk and going through.
No!
Oh, no, didn't make it.
Oh!
Did I make it?
I died.
No. No, I got cucked 3 times. I'm going for it again. I'm going for it again. I'm going for it again. No, I was so close. I've died 3 times. I died 4 times now. It always smacks me off. It's not smacking me into. Oh my god, people are qualifying already. Give me a good boost, please.
We're qualified. Cool.
No, it gave me possibly the worst boost.
Just go around the side.
The middle.
There's a guy still at the start. What the fuck is he doing?
Bruh. Bruh. No, I've lost. Can I get through it at least?
I'm easy. Just go around the
Can I get
sides.
boosted?
Why don't you just go around the side? Why, Amelia? Why?
Because I wanted to go first. Either way, I'll be right back.
No, okay. Goodbye. Run, fall down the slippery slope of slime. Is it slime? I don't know. Oh, the 2 parrots. Oh, except he doesn't have feathers. Imagine. Imagine being a parrot. I don't know why I jumped there. That was completely useless. Okay. Oh no, I might not qualify. We're in. We're in, boys. Oh, that parrot! I don't think that parrot made it. No, he didn't. I'm the last remaining parrot. Is he out? Oh no, he's not out. I think I got in though. Oh well. Maybe there's another one. Look, buddy. Alright. Let's go.
Hello?
Hello. It said eliminated -1 for a second. Stop grabbing me! Holding on to someone. Off. Okay. Oh shit. There goes one guy. Get off. No. I think that guy just jumped off. I don't want to go back that far. Back. Yep. Move. Yes! Oh no. What? Okay, I'm out. Alright, my guy just kept falling over. He just wouldn't get up. It's very unfortunate that, and I'm very sad. Well, Parrot Man has no luck today. But one day we'll get it. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.